Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the fix works. Open Google Maps and check for updates, then enable location with high accuracy. Once done, clear the app cache to remove corrupted data that may send wrong signals. Make sure Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning are enabled for better positioning. These improve signal blending. You'll now take the first actionable step. Re-request directions to the same destination to observe map behavior before deeper adjustments. Now you focus on correcting the data that drives routing. If a route shows wrong turns, tap Report a Problem and submit the exact issue with a PIN. Google prioritizes these reports. Next, clean up saved places. Duplicates or mislocated addresses can skew rerouting. Then, reset navigation settings and re-download any offline maps to ensure fresh routing graphs. Once these steps finish, request directions again to compare results and confirm improvements before final cleanup. Finish by testing routes under normal conditions and at peak times so you validate traffic and live rerouting. This reveals whether fixes stick. If problems persist, reinstall Google Maps to remove lingering corruption and then sign back in. This refreshes account-level route data. Make sure to try a secondary device with your account. If it works there, the issue is local to your phone. If not, escalate via report a problem with clear repro steps and screenshots so support can act quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.